Alright, here we are on top of the roof. Gonna go ahead and put in these roof vents here. Didn't have any ventilation, so didn't want to have any moisture problems. I've just got these plastic vents that you can get from Menards or Lowe's. I think they're like 10 bucks a piece, but so I actually have everything all marked out here. I got it set in between the two rafters, have everything marked up with a Sharpie, and just gonna take a circle saw and get that cut out. After that, we're gonna go ahead and just slip that underneath there and get the shingles to go around it. We'll silicone the bottom of it, and yeah, it goes pretty quick. We already got one in over here, so. Alright, so we're just gonna cut this hole out for the vent using a circle saw here. Go ahead and wear your safety glasses, and doesn't take too much to cut through it, so we'll get to it. Alright, got that cut. You can also use a Sawzall if you want, but this is all I had available. So. Just gonna make sure nothing falls in the attic. So we got this hole cut here, just kind of cleaned up the edges a little bit. Now what we're gonna do is, it's kind of hard to see, but I still have marks for the outside of this. We're gonna take it and be careful with the shingles here. You're gonna wanna lift them up without breaking or cracking them. Might have to pull a nail or two out, and that way we can at least get the shingles slipped up over here so all the rainwater comes off. Alright, so there we got the hole cut, got the shingles taken off. Had to pull a few nails out, a couple staples, but see, it's just gonna pull back like this. Then gonna have her silicone a bead around here. We'll tuck it up underneath there and get it nailed in. Be looking good. So here's the finished product. I went ahead and siliconed around everything really good, just so we make sure no water gets through. You can see the top overlap nice and the sides tucked in there good. The bottom is supposed to be exposed like that. And yeah, it wasn't too hard of a job. Maybe took an hour and a half to do all three. And yeah, it's something you can definitely do on your own. Don't have to pay somebody to come out and do it for you. Appreciate you watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more.